Hi, I'm Mary Fritz. Welcome to my studio, the Red Cedar Studio. I am the founding member of the Crackpot Studio Tour. I have been in ceramics for about 30 years, and I got my MFA here in 2015, an MFA in ceramics. And when I was done, I built the studio. And what I found was I wasn't part of the ceramics community, and I didn't have a way to reach out to the community. So I thought a great way to do it is to offer a ceramics tour, not only for the artists to meet and get to know each other and become a supporting community, but also to bring the community into our private studios that are not open to the public normally, so that the public can come to these studios and see what it's like to see an artist process, to see what kind of equipment ceramic artists use. And what I found stunningly is there are a huge amount of ceramic artists in the area. In Williamston alone, we have, I think, 5 ceramic studios. Some are internationally known artists, others are locally known artists, and all of them are beloved artists. And I have really expanded my reach out to the public and expanded the ability to reach out to artists. So it is not just a Williamston tour, it's a Lansing area tour. And it's free and open to the public. And you're supposed to come on a driving tour, visit the studios, talk to the artists. The amazing thing that has developed from this tour is artists who live within 10 miles of each other, have met each other, have shared problems with the ceramics process, have met the public that they normally may not see if they just send their pieces to a gallery. It's a family party, communal kind of atmosphere on the tour. We have invited other ceramic artists from around Michigan. This is a Michigan tour only. We don't bring people in from other states or other countries. It's a Michigan tour. I'm very adamant about promoting Michigan artists and supporting Michigan artists. So what has actually happened from my idea of trying to meet people and make friends is we have usually between 10 and 12 private rural studios, which are beautiful studios to visit. And these artists, most of them invite other artists to their yard from Michigan who set up in their yard. So every studio is a private little art festival, one set up just for you, the public, to come. And I hope you do come to the tour. It's always the 3rd weekend in September. It runs on Saturday and Sunday from 10 till 5. And you can come to the website or pick up brochures, which are everywhere. This year we've had a really fun event to the tour. It's called the Crackpot Throwdown, and it's a playful, fun competition of 10 to 15 clay artists. They'll compete in who can throw the tallest cylinder, who can throw the widest bowl, and a mystery competition. There are prizes and food, and the public is invited to attend that also. This event is going to be live streamed on Instagram and Facebook. If you're interested in the tour, which I hope you are, it's a lovely thing to go on. There are many ways of coming to the tour and finding out about where to go to get on the tour. One is through our brochures, which are all over the place. Libraries, farmers markets, all around the state. Pick one up, keep it. They're beautiful. They have the map and all the directions in them. So you're going to want to come on this tour. Another way is through our website, which is crackedpotstudiotour.com, where the brochures on that website, along with the studios, the addresses, an interactive map about the artists, some pictures of the work that's on the tour. And you could go to Facebook, Crackpot Studio Tour, or Instagram, CP Studio Tour. So we're trying to spread out and bring people in because we love company. We love showing off our work, and artists love showing their work and selling their work. So please come. We'd love to have you.